Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is the safest and oldest NSAID, and this ibuprofen is approved in the children and it has an additional lysosomal stabilizing property. The rare side effect of ibuprofen is it can cause a rare side effect which is called as retrobulbar neuritis, or it can also cause toxic amblyopia. So ibuprofen is the safest and oldest NSAID and it is used in children. It has additional lysosomal stabilizing property. The rare side effect is it can cause retrobulbar neuritis.
thank you and thank you for watching.